Hi viewers, now we discuss the previously asked question in MSc on based on the simple harmonic motion here. So a particle performing simple harmonic motion has a maximum velocity of 0.4 meter per second and a maximum acceleration of that particle is 0.8 meter per second square here. So calculate the amplitude and time period of the oscillators. Okay, so before going to solve this problem, first we discuss the displacement of simple harmonic motion equation is that's x equal to a sine of omega t plus pi. Already we know that. Okay, next one, what is the velocity? Velocity of this simple harmonic oscillator. So velocity equation is here, that is v equal to omega into under root of a square minus x square. Okay, this simple harmonic oscillator, nothing but this simple pendulum that we consider as a simple harmonic oscillator. So when it executes the simple harmonic motion, that velocity equation is this one here, v equal to omega into under root of a square minus x square here. Okay, so this displacement equation is how much? That is x equal to a sine of omega t plus pi. Okay, now so this position indicates here x equal to 0. When x equal to 0, this position we call as the rest position or mean position of the oscillator. So when it reaches to the extreme position, that displacement t should be equal to here a. Okay, so as well as now we find out the velocity at this mean position and extreme position, extreme positions. So if you are putting x equal to 0, we are getting the velocity of this oscillator at this position here. So at x equal to 0, how much the velocity here? V equal to omega into under root of a square minus 0 square. Nothing but this v equal to we are getting omega into under root a square. So then this v equal to we are getting a omega. Okay, here at the extreme, at the mean position, we are getting the maximum velocity here. This is equal to a omega. V maximum equal to a omega. Okay, now we have to calculate the velocity at the extreme position here. Okay, at extreme position means at this position that displacement should be equal to the amplitude. That's why at x equal to a, now we have to calculate here velocity. So this value is substituted in this equation, v equal to omega into under root of a square minus x means here a square, x equal to we are putting a. Okay, so this v equal to omega into under root a square minus a square means here 0. So this velocity should be 0. This is the minimum velocity. At this extreme position, thus that oscillator velocity should be 0. Same this oscillator velocity is maximum at mean position. How much that value? That maximum value is a omega. The product of amplitude and omega, angular frequency, gives the maximum velocity. Okay, at this position the velocity should be 0. That's why kinetic energy also 0. Okay, next one, now we find out the acceleration value here. So already we know that acceleration of the oscillator, that is minus omega square x. When we put the x equal to 0, the acceleration at mean position should be 0. Okay, then if you are putting x equal to a, the acceleration, the maximum acceleration formula is minus omega square a. These are the formulas. Okay, so a maximum equal to minus omega square a minimum value that should be 0. Okay, so this is the formulas. Now we solve this problem here. A particle performing simple harmonic motion has a maximum velocity What is the maximum velocity formula? That is A omega. Okay, here given that V maximum equal to 0.4 meter per second. Okay, so what is the formula for the V maximum formula for the simple harmonic motion? So that is equal to product of amplitude and angular frequency. That's A omega equal to here 0.4 meter per second. This is the one point. Next, another one is a maximum acceleration of this one. This simple harmonic motion is how much? 0.8 meter per second square. Nothing but A maximum equal to here 0.8 meter per second square. What is the maximum acceleration formula for this simple harmonic oscillator? That is omega square A here. This omega square A equal to 0.8 meter per second square. So this is the given data. Let it be equation 1. This one is the equation 2. Okay. Next one. Now we calculate the here amplitude as well as the time period of the oscillators. Okay. So now we find out the amplitude value from this equation 1 and 2. Okay. So now we do the equation 2 by 1 here. No. Equation 2 by equation 1. So then we are getting the this 0.8 by this is 0.4 equal to this LHS side is omega square A by A omega. This A get cancelled, omega get cancelled here. 0.42, nothing but we are getting the omega equal to 2 here. This angular frequency omega value is 2. Okay. Now we have to calculate the here amplitude value. Okay. So this omega value substituted in the equation 1, we are getting the amplitude here. Okay. So this is substituted in equation 1. It's A into omega equal to how much? 2 equal to 0.4. Okay. So this amplitude A equal to 0.2. Amplitude units are meters. So this is the amplitude value. A equals 0.2 meters. Next one. Now we find out this time period of the oscillator. What is the time period relation between the time period and omega here? So we know that this omega equal to, we can written as the, what we are getting, omega equal to here, omega equal to, we can written as the 2 pi by t here. 2 pi by t equal to 2. Okay. This 2 get cancelled, then implies we can written as the t equal to pi, t units are seconds. Okay. T equal to pi seconds. Nothing but 3.14 seconds. Okay, now? So these are the answers. Amplitude value is 0.2 meter and the time period value is 3.14 seconds. Okay. I have another question here. In previously asked in MSc entrance, we were asked in this type of questions here, like this: x equal to 0.01 sine 100 pi t plus 0.005 meters. Okay. So not only this one, based on this displacement formula, so how we can calculate the displacement at time of start, amplitude value, frequency value, time period, and maximum velocity, maximum accelerations. Okay. So let us see how we can solve these factors from this given question. Okay. So what is the displacement of simple harmonic equation here? Given that x equal to 0.01 sine of 100 pi of t plus 0.005 meters. Here this displacement measured in the meter. Okay. So already we know the general equation of the simple harmonic motion is, that is the displacement of simple harmonic motion equation is x equal to a sine of omega t plus pi. Here omega t plus pi is called phase of the oscillator here. A is the amplitude of that oscillator. X is the displacement of this oscillator. Okay. So now this equation change into this general equation. So generalize it to here. That is x equal to 0.01 sine of, now we multiply with 100 pi here. So this 100 pi t plus 100 into 0.005. Okay. So when it is changed into this x equal to a sine of omega t plus pi form. So now we comparing this one. Okay. How much the amplitude value here? This amplitude value is equal to, that is 0.01 meter. Okay. So if we ask the amplitude value to find the amplitude, so this is the answer. Okay. Amplitude is how much here? That is 0.01 meter. Okay. Next one. Displacement at time of start. Okay. Now we calculate the displacement at the time of start. So at the time of start means here nothing but at the time of start the time period should be, sorry, the time should be taken as the 0. Okay. So at the time of start how much the displacement is there? So if we are substituting the t equal to 0, then we are getting the time of start. At the time of start the displacement value, how much? That is x equal to here 0.01 sine of this 100 pi into time of start value t equals 0 plus this 100 into 5 by 1000. 5 by 1000. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. 5 2 jump. Nothing but we are getting 1 by 2. Okay. So then 100 pi is there. 100 pi into, okay. So then x equal to 0.01 into sine of, we are getting the pi by 2. Sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 is how much? Sine 91. So that's why we are getting the 0.01 into 1, nothing but x value at the time of start. How much displacement is there? The displacement should be 0.01 meter. Okay. Next maybe ask this frequency, to find out the frequency, time period and maximum velocities. So to calculate the frequency, time period, we need the omega value. Okay. How much the omega value here? Okay. So if this equation compared with the x equal to a sine omega t plus pi, this omega should be equal to here 100 pi. Okay. That's omega equal to 100 pi. Okay. If we know the omega, this angular frequency, then we can calculate the frequency value as well as time period value. Okay. So what is the omega relation here? Omega equal to, the formula is 2 pi times of the natural frequency, and this can be written as omega equal to 2 pi by t. Okay. If we want the find out the frequency and time to calculate the time period, so we substitute this omega equal to 2 pi by t here. Okay. This is 2 pi by t equal to 100 pi. Then reciprocal of this one is t by 2 pi equal to 1 by 100 pi. So this t equal to this 2 pi by 100 pi. This pi get cancelled. 2 by 100 means here 0.02 second. This is the time period for the same problem. Okay. Next one. Now we have to calculate here maximum velocity. How can we calculate? What is the maximum velocity equation? So maximum velocity means the formula of maximum velocity, general velocity equation is v equal to omega into under root of a square minus x square. Okay. This oscillator which has velocity, maximum velocity at the mean position, that is x equal 0 position. Okay. So if we substitute x equal 0, we are getting the maximum velocity of the oscillator. That is how much V maximum equal to A omega. V maximum equal to A omega. Nothing but the product of amplitude and omega gives the maximum velocity of this oscillator or this particle. Okay. So this maximum velocity formula is here. V maximum equal to A omega. From this equation, from this given data, we have amplitude is how much? 0.01. So that is V maximum equal to 0.01 meter into how much is the omega? Omega equal to here 100 pi. Okay, this is the 100 pi. Okay, this 0.01 means 1 by 100. Okay, 1 by 100 into 100 pi. 100 get cancelled. Then V maximum value pi meter per second. Okay, pi meter per second means 3.14 meter per second. This is the answer. Okay, but the same question, now we will have to calculate the maximum acceleration value. How much the maximum acceleration? To know the maximum acceleration, what is the formula? Okay, so A maximum formula is omega square into A. Omega square into A. Okay, so A maximum equal to how much the omega here? Omega value is 100 pi. 100 pi whole square into A value. Amplitude of the oscillator is how much? That is 0.01. Okay, so this A maximum equal to this 100 square. Okay, into pi square into 1 by 100 here. Okay, so 2 zeros get cancelled. That's acceleration answer is 100 pi square meter per second square. Okay, na? So same for the same question. Now we have to find out these factors. Okay, based on the same question. Okay, right. Here we have another question based on that simple harmonic motion. A particle executing simple harmonic motion has a maximum displacement A. Maximum displacement A. So let it be, this is simple harmonic oscillator. This maximum displacement is how much? X maximum equal to A. Okay. So that's energy is how much this energy? Energy equation is, that is E. Okay. So find its displacement at instant. Kinetic energy is 3 by 4. Okay. When it becomes kinetic energy is 3 by 4, now we have to find out the displacement value here. Okay. The given options are A by 4, A by 2, 4A and 2A. Okay. So now we write the maximum displacement A value here. What is the maximum displacement? That is X equal to, simply we say the X maximum equal to A here. Okay. So how much the energy value? Energy of this oscillator is, we know that that's equal to half m omega square A square. Okay. And according to this problem, that kinetic energy value, kinetic energy equal to here 3 by 4. Okay. So already we know the kinetic energy of this oscillator is of m omega square of A square minus X square. A square minus X square. Here this omega square of A square minus X square is equal to here V square, velocity of that oscillator. Okay. So here we know the kinetic energy value and total energy value. Now we find out the displacement value here. Okay. So this kinetic energy equal to, now we substitute here, of m omega square of A square minus X square equal to 3 by 4 of E value is how much? Of m omega square A square here. Okay. This of m omega square get cancelled. So then we are getting A square minus X square equal to 3 by 4 A square. Now we find out the X value here from this equation. So then X square equal to, we can written as here a square minus 3 by 4 a square. Okay, then if you are simplifying this x square equal to 4a square minus 3a square by 4, nothing but x square equal to a square by 4, x equal to under root of a square by 4 means a by 2. Okay, so this B option is exactly matching with this answer. Okay, right.